Hi, in this video, I'll introduce you to Bluesky Social, a decentralized platform that claims to put you in control of your data. Is it the future of social media, or just another overhyped idea? Let's dive in and find out. Here's the app. Let's open it now. This is the app's interface. Log in or create a new account. As you can see, the app supports multiple languages. Now, let's select Create Account. The first option here is what makes this app stand out compared to the X app. The hosting provider Bluesky is like giving you two options for storing your data. You can keep it at home, self-hosting, for more control when you choose custom, or you can let Bluesky take care of it. Right now, only personal accounts can do self-hosting. Soon, groups and organizations will be able to host their big communities too. Now, enter your email address and choose your password. Next, add your birth date and click Next. For step 2, choose your username and click Next again. Now, complete the human verification challenge. Mine is to select 3 similar images. Click Next, repeat, and then click Verify. After that, start setting up your profile. Add a profile picture if you'd like, then click Continue. Choose your interests, click Continue again, and here we go. This is the main interface. It looks very similar to the X interface, but there are new options that I'll explain in the next video. And that's it.